Hello, I'm Dr. Henry Wright with Be in Health.
And I'm Pastor Donna Wright. We have got big news.
Bigger than big.
Bigger than big. Yes. We have a half price on our walkout workshop.
Walkout workshop. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, what is it?
Well, first of all, walkout workshop. A lot of people come to, well, in fact, you have to come to For My Life first to qualify to come to walkout workshop.
We'll talk about that later.
But a lot of people come to For My Life and they hear so much good stuff and they go home and go, what did I hear? Because we can only retain so much. So walkout workshop, they come back and then we go through a number of wonderful ways of interacting together and learning together so that what we learn now becomes a part of our thinking, not just our hearing, but a part of our action. And it takes time, you know. Practice does make perfect.
And you know, when you go to the For My Life program, whether it's online or here at our retreat, there are, like you said, there is a lot of things. There's a lot of ways of thinking that are just totally reorganized in yourself. And you think, well, how can I practically apply this? Okay. Now, you get what you need for the first time around, but the second time around, it kind of, to me, is like you pack it down, you know how to walk it, you learn what you do in certain situations. It's really, really good.
You know, I heard a scripture coming to me. You're to be not just a hearer, but a doer. So the hearing is essential.
Yes, and it makes a difference.
But then how do you do it?
Yeah.
And so the walkout workshop teaches us how to walk in the principles.
Right. So what does that look like to you? Okay, well, regularly the walkout workshop, which sometimes we call WOW, is $459.
I gotta break this news release.
Okay.
This is a half price deal.
It is a half price deal.
What's that mean?
Well, it makes it $229 in January and February of the new year,
and
2019.
It originally was $459?
Yes.
And that divided by 2 is $229?
That's what it is.
That's tremendous.
Yes. And so you're gonna start your new year right. You're going to be able to learn how to apply the principles that you have learned. Or maybe you just need a refresher course on how to do that.
You know, many people have New Year's resolutions.
You do.
And you know, that's all they ever have.
It's a resolution.
A good intention. Well, it's time to put your feet to walking in those resolutions.
Now, yeah, I just want to say, remember, you would have had to have gone to a For My Life retreat or an online course of For My Life.
Yes.
That's the prerequisite. You've got to have those, you've got to have the understanding before you can do the walkout workshop.
Now you can come to For My Life and then come to the walkout workshop.
Oftentimes they're back to back.
Sometimes,
yeah.
Not always.
Yeah, but oftentimes.
You might go check our schedule.
So remember, this is how you get to do this. You go to our website, which is www.beinhealth.com.